the Fiji Fresh sheet detergent, and so it's 30 sheets. It's actually 30 whole sheets, and then you basically get 60 of the half sheets out of it. And again, this is different than what you've probably ever used before, because what you're probably familiar with is like you use liquid or use powder. I know a lot of people like the liquid. I know for years we used to use the powder, and we've since changed to using the liquid. So I'm outside, and I'm actually out here at the garage because that's where our laundry facilities are located at. And I'm just standing out here just so that you can hear me, not over the machine. Okay, so I'll open this up and I'll show you how it is. But again, it's a sheet, and you put it in the actual drum of your machine, so you don't put it in the detergent cup if you have one of these front loaders, or if you're at a laundromat and you use one of the front loaders there. You don't put it in the detergent cup, you put it, the drawer, you put it inside the actual machine. Okay, and it shows you how much to use. So if it's a small load, you'll use half a sheet. A regular load, you'll use a full sheet, and then a medium load, and then a large load over 22 pounds, you'll use 1.5 sheets. So anyway, you see here how you use it. And then so again, the good thing about this is that you're not going to spill it, because you know, like with powder it can be messy, or liquid. So it's this also is a lot lighter, obviously, to carry and to transport. I know a lot of people don't have laundry facilities in their home, or maybe you live in an apartment, or after the coronavirus is over, you have college students that'll be living in the dorm. So this is a lot easier for them to handle. And again, I'll show you the inner packaging in just a minute. It has a light lemon and lavender scent. Hi, Catherine. And then it's has no residue. So this sheet, it's a little bit different, again, what you're used to, and you'll see in just a minute if you hang on. Because I'm just waiting for the other load that was in the washing machine to finish spinning. And so I can change it, and I'll show you this. This is a sheet. This is not liquid. This is not a powder. Okay, and the sheet itself actually dissolves. So it's actually pretty neat. So again, this is from LG Household and Healthcare, which now you can get from Avon. And so this is the Fresh Fiji laundry sheet. Okay, and so you get 30 sheets. So again, depending upon if you do all large loads or you do small loads, you can kind of figure out then how much, you know, how many you can get out of this. Okay, I know for us, we do a lot of small loads, because especially now that I'm working from home. So I think this is probably done now, so I'll just go ahead and push that in so it stops. Okay, so obviously, you know, to do this, you're going to sort your laundry, and obviously I do it whites first, and then I have the coloreds, so the, you know, colored things, and then pants, and then the other things that get dried a little bit differently. So we'll go ahead and I'll show you how this works. So obviously you're going to set the size, obviously the size of the load, you know, just like you would any other wash machine, the water, and then put it on the correct cycle. Okay, I have a top loading machine, and obviously this machine, it's a Maytag, it's not high efficiency. I know a lot of you have newer machines that are Samsung and LG and all of that are high efficiency, that are the front loading. And again, this works, and it is HE, it works in both, okay? So we'll go ahead and start this. It got turned over there to correct. So I'm going to start it, and then I'm going to open the box, and then I already opened it up. You get 2 packets like this. And so I'm going to open the packet. Okay. So since this is a small load, it comes like this, and it's perforated. So for me, I can just tear, and we'll save the other half. We'll use it later. Okay. So just tear it on the perforation, okay. And then you just toss it in. And then watch, if I can show you on camera, watch what happens. You'll see that the water, that it's starting to dissolve. And you'll see the bubbles now. So then I'll go ahead and I'll put my items in the machine. So again, if you have a front loading machine, it's going to go inside the actual drum, not in the detergent drawer or dispenser, okay? So I'll pick up the items, put them in there, close the top, it's still running, and that's all there is to it. So real simple, but again, and so it completely dissolves. It doesn't have a really strong scent, which is good. I know a lot of people are concerned about that. The blue dots are actually enzymes, and that's actually what helps it to work as well, that you saw in there as well. So it's really neat product. So this will be available starting on Wednesday. The website rolls over, so you can visit the website starting on Wednesday, or you can give us a call because we already started selling out of the new brochure. So, and again, if you're in Atwater, Merced, Winton, Livingston, Delhi area, we'll take care of you personally, or even LeGrand. We have somebody in LeGrand, Planada. If not, you can order online, and that's the most amazing thing, especially right now with COVID. It's a great thing. Order online because the products will come directly to you, or you order from us. We do what's called contactless delivery. So people either leave, in fact, a couple people did that today. They left their check or their money order near their door. And so then we were able to go ahead and drop the order off there. We didn't even have to speak to anybody. We have masks. We do have hand sanitizer. We have other things, too, to protect you. And we always wash our hands when we handle the products or handle the brochures or any of that. So you don't have to worry about that, okay? Of course, if you order online, it's going to come directly from our warehouse in Ohio. So, that's a great thing too. So, if you have any questions, let us know.